Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in like 2 months. I've been a little MIA, but I'm back. I'm so excited to share with you guys that I have received my first PR package. I'm gonna show you right now what it is. I was very excited when I saw it. It actually came at a very interesting time. I was kind of stuck in like this weird headspace at the time, and this was kind of like my sign. You know, like life has a way of doing things. So this was like my sign to keep going. Because I was, where I was at that point, I was just questioning a lot of things. And, you know, you just feel unsure of yourself, you know, every now and again. And then when this happened, I was like, okay, so this is life telling me, like, you need to keep going. You know, cut the crap and, you know, get it together and just keep going. So if you're excited and you can't wait to see what it is, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. And let's get on with the video. So here we are, guys, my first PR package, and it is from Marc Anthony Haircare. And here it says Dream Big Gorgeous, and in the back it says confidence looks good on you. I got my handy dandy scissors, and let's go ahead and see what we received. Okay. Sorry, technical difficulties. All right, I think I got it. Okay, so here we have, okay, so we have a little sheet here. It says root lifting, weightless cleansing, volumizing, and strengthening. Marc Anthony, true professional. And it says the products that are in the box. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you one by one. Before we continue, I just want to go ahead and say a big thank you to Marc Anthony Haircare. Thank you so much for this package. I'm always down to try new hair care because I don't know if you guys saw my last hair care video, but my hair was really damaged. So, you know, I'm always down to try new things to make it look good. So let me just read a little bit of info on here. It says, this isn't any ordinary volumizing collection. Take a closer look at Dream Big Volume and you'll see a matrix of volume boosters in action, bodybuilding microfiber bonding technology working its magic. Much like the fibers in volumizing mascaras, they plump up the strands with extra fullness. Science never looked so beautiful. Awesome. That is really cool. So here we have the Dream Big Volume Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. It says weightless volume boosting strengthening with microfiber bonding technology. Let's go ahead and smell it because I can actually smell today. My allergies are not killing me today. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, it smells like fruity-ish. Citrusy. That's what I meant, not fruity-ish. It smells citrusy. So, yum. We have here the Perfectly Full Thickening Cream, plumps, lifts, smooths. Again, with microfiber bonding technology. And also, I should note that it says it's free of sulfates, parabens, and I don't know how to say this word, but I'm going to say it's like phthalates, whatevs. So then we have here the Dream Big Volume Thick and Full Hairspray, long lasting, no flake, invisible finish, extra hold. Awesome. And this is really cool. This is going to be awesome for the days that I actually go out and style my hair. And then we also have the Volumizing Super Powder, instant lift and texture, again with microfiber bonding. I was going to say bending. With microfiber bonding technology. And it's a cute little thing. I'm actually going to try a little bit of this now. It just says to spray 2 to 4 inches away from the hair. Ooh. Oh, did you see that? Go ahead. I'm going to part my hair in the middle and just work that in there. Yes, I know I look crazy. And then try some in the back. And just work that into the scalp. Ugh, sorry. And try it here. It actually looks really cool. So that is the Volumizing Super Powder, and let's let that just say, like, you know, work its magic into the hair. And then we have here the 7-in-1 Thickening Treatment Foam, Weightless Volume, Fullness, plump, lift, strengthen, nourish, hydrate, and hold, and with microfiber bonding technologies. And I'm just gonna try a little bit of this. Let's try a little. Oh, oops. Hey, that caught me a little off guard. So I'm just gonna take this and again work this on the scalp. You know, with the powder and the foam, I might end up with a ton of volume. But okay, so this smells more. It has a little of that citrus scent, but it smells. Okay, it doesn't smell terrible. You know, like how some mousses like hairspray smell like horrible. Like this is not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so I feel like it did give me a little bit of volume. What do you guys think? Again, big thank you to Marc Anthony Haircare. Thank you so much for the package. I'm so beyond thankful. I can't wait to try these products and let you guys know what kind of difference it made for my hair. So definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. Till the next video, guys.